Kelsey might not approve. We made it to Tazapalooza last night. What, about 10 o'clock? So I hear Taz and them out there. They was all awake when we got here, but yeah, it was awesome finally meeting everyone. There's a few others that were already asleep, but we'll go out and give you guys a little bit of a tour. Let's see, John, JK, Kim, and Daniel. Morning. Morning, Taz. Got the camera out first thing.
I have something for you in my truck.
It's good to meet you. Daniel Adkins. Little Miss Happy over there.
Morning, Dave.
Mr. John Arnett.
What are you doing?
Video him.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Early, Dave. See,
Your smile looks like that sunrise. When you smile. No. Taz headed to the wood hole already.
There's 3 rounds in the back of the truck.
Got a line of cars going to run some saws. There is a shit ton of saws. Tazapalooza 2023. Gonna run saw today, babe?
of course.
Atta girl. So
There's too many. How could I not?
we will see you when we get to our destination. Well, we made it. Mr. Chippy, what are you working on? What are you working on, Chippy?
He's flying. He's up here.
So we got air traffic control, Mama Taz. We got the pilot, Chippy.
No, I was just
JK?
what this thing was doing here.
Where about you from, JK?
Scottsville, Kentucky.
Kentucky.
I was trying to throw up in the air on the way up. And
What about you guys? Where are you from?
Spokane.
Spokane. Name?
Fred Watt.
Fred Watt. I'm to blame for him buying a Fisker's axe and then telling him it's a piece of shit.
Yep, thanks. $75 later. Appreciate it.
No, they split good, but man, they hurt my shoulders.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, Johnny's over there.
Turn it off.
Names and where you from?
Brennan from Buckley, Washington.
Emily from Buckley, Washington.
Brennan, what'd you get?
Gotta show it off.
You do? Yep.
So,
It's a sick paint job on your truck.
the Saw family, Mr. J. Daniels, thank you very much. And
It's Husqvarna 372 XP.
so there's a lot of folks in on the deal. Mr. J. Daniels come up with the saw and they gave it to Brennan.
And they gave it to Chippy, or JK, and Mr. Arnett to give to me.
Yep. JK and
Arnett.
John Arnett stopped down at Mr. J. Daniels in Oregon and picked it up. So we're gonna run some saws, introduce some more folks. So
Yeah, all right.
Chippy, what'd you get?
What did I get? Dave gave me his old 660 after getting it rebuilt and back up and running. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome. You do way too much for all of us, so
That's what
that's the least we could do.
That's what happens when you adopt us.
Damn it!
So we got
there was.
a pile of Huskies.
3 easy payments in 1999.
I started out with stills, and now I'm a Husky man. Got 266, 550 from William. Thank you, William. 572 is a demo from Tony's Saw Shop in Colville.
It's got that little person.
395, 390, Kelsey's 441, 045, and saw gear.
Yeah, I went down to my salon and they had it. I was like, I have to give it. They're like, yeah, I have to.
You want to throw saws in? Or?
Name? Where you from?
Travis Elliott, 307 Joe.
307 Joe on YouTube.
Yep, out of Big Piney, Wyoming.
Wyoming. We got folks from Canada, all over the U.S.,
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, Kentucky, North Carolina. So We'll bring you guys back when we're running some saws.
Looks like a race car. We're also going to try to get this big log here cut and into sections, either into quarters or thirds, and get it rolled up. We have the PV there, and we could also just get a bunch of people and roll it up here on flat. It's cut all the way to there in firewood lengths, and then we just have to zip the underside. Then we can get it to Daniel and his splitter if anybody wants to watch the splitter go. So there'll be quite a bit of stuff going on. We won't fall any trees until everybody is very aware that there's going to be a tree coming down. Okay, so if somebody sees a tree and they go look at it and they think, you know, I think I could fall that tree down the hill. Come find me, and we'll stop action and we'll let it happen. Okay, but everybody will be aware before anything falls. I have fallen trees in here, obviously. So if you're down below and you're underneath.
Just want to give a shout out to Ed with Square Cutter. Thank you, Ed, for showing up, bringing your product. Sorry, I was so busy. I did not get a chance. I wanted to interview you, go over the process so we could put it on a channel. We will have to set up a date to where we can go over it step by step, do a video. That way we can put it on our channel. You have a wonderful product. Thank you for making a trip over here. I hope you enjoy that axe, that elk horn, and hope you had a wonderful time, my friend.
Awesome. I appreciate that. That to me, that's saying thank you to Pete and Sherry for allowing all of this. Thanks, Pete and
Yes,
Sherry.
thank you, folks.
Thank you all so much. This foundation obviously is the house that they're building. And if you have followed along on the channel and seen and heard me talk about opening up the window, see the mountain, that is the window from the house foundation to see that beautiful mountain, which is called Quartzsite Mountain. Johnny Arnett's mountain.
That's right.
Okay. Any other input?
Maybe if you're walking in that steeper ground, throw your brake on until you're ready to cut.
Right. Good one, Dave.
What if it don't
I
work?
don't know if
Then you got a piece of shit.
Dave, I'm telling you right now, I'm not dragging that
Everybody
42-inch OD4 monster down in there.
anybody here, if you see something that you don't understand what's going on, or you think it's unsafe, whether it's Taz is doing something, falling a tree, and you think there's a widowmaker, anybody here can say, whoa, stop, let's analyze the situation. And until you're comfortable or whoever's comfortable, nothing happens until everybody's comfortable with the situation.
And watching also, if it's myself or anybody, when you're climbing, if you're watching, anytime you hear a saw start in a tree, nobody's underneath the tree. Anytime you hear a start, it's not looking up. Whenever a saw is starting in a tree, please don't be underneath the tree.
Yep.
But I just want to make sure everybody's comfortable with the stop work authority situation. Charlie. And she thinks she sees something that's unsafe or doesn't understand what's going on.
Maybe have a ground man when you're going up to watch.
Absolutely.
Doing it. Mama Taz is in charge.
Anybody wants to split, it's never split wood with a Tazzy. There's a hick stick Tazzy right there. Just grab it up.
I will definitely be trying that.
Use it. If you've never used one, it's a treat. So.
Also, we will be live on YouTube. So if everybody gives consent, and if you don't want to be on it, please don't walk in front of the camera.
I'm a little camera shy.
It will be on my phone, on that tripod right there. The black and orange one sitting up on that log.
You got a portable charger with you, Kenny?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I don't know how long it'll last, Chippy, so I might be chasing you down, brother.
Yeah, I got one with me. I left the battery pack at the back of the
Chippy,
shop.
are you going to be...
So I'm just walking down to get log PV out of the truck. Extra saw shafts for someone if they need them. Mr. Bodie, novice lumberjack, drove that up in the mountains. It's a rental car. He thought we were still up in the mountains somewhere. Names, where are you from?
Dan Atkins, Eatonville.
Tom Stanley, Sealy Lake, Montana.
Good to meet you guys.
And that's what I deal with during the week.
Fun. Dan is on YouTube. Daniel Atkins brought his Wolf Ridge splitter over. So we're going to have a good time. Interview time, Hollywood.
Big saw to do a little job.
Where are you from? What's your name?
Name's Bodie. I run the channel Novice Lumberjack. I came all the way from Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia. He's the one with the hot rod, 4x4 Challenger.
Yeah, I got it stuck. I did a little mountain adventure. I actually didn't get it stuck because I'm from Kentucky and I know what hills are like and trails. If I was in a two-wheel drive truck, I'd still be in the mountains. That Challenger, it's a Mopar. We all know Mopar gets it done, right?
I think he's advertising for dogs. He's trying to get a sponsorship.
Beautiful country out here.
Yeah.
You around here locally?
Yeah, I'm about 2 hours west of here. So
Yeah, 2 hours is local, huh?
Yeah.
Wide open space.
Oh, the saw shop I use is right here, so I always come this way. But
Yeah.
gotta go meet this gentleman.
Good deal.
What's your name?
Jamie.
David.
Good to meet you, David.
Mountain Life with David and Kelsey. I don't know if you watch YouTube. Where about you from?
I'm Kenny's nephew.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so I can help out a little bit and
Heck yeah.
hang out with everybody.
Yeah, it'll be a good time.
Yeah, it's awesome seeing this many people from all over the U.S. and Canada and everything.
Got Tasman and Ed with Square Cutter, 307 Joe, Dan Kane and Johnny Arnett over there, Hicks Hickory, Josh, JK Saw Shop, Josh. Hey, slivers. Out of gas. Try this one. The brakes off. 266. That's a 390. It's off. Oh no.
660.
660.
You familiar with the Bellamy Brothers? Give me a redneck girl.
You want to try that 266? You got to try that.
So right here, Tasman offered to let Kelsey fall a tree. This is her first tree. She's never, ever even tried to do a face cut or anything. So here I am assessing the tree. It's leaning kind of towards the camera. You can see where I'm looking right there. That's which way it's gonna go. This did not have a top. Josh Hickory climbed the tree, topped it, so it was a good learning tree for Kelsey. So like I said, she's never fell a tree before, so I'm walking her through everything, you know, which way to run once a tree goes over, just everything I can think of off the top of my head. No, I do not have a hard hat on. I'm not worried about it. There's not a limb in that tree, or it's just a stem is what it is. But thanks to Tasman, Kenny Fuller, for allowing us to let Kelsey fall a tree. It was just awesome. She had she was a bit nervous with a lot of folks watching and live feeds running and a lot of cameras. It was a lot of pressure. She did absolutely great. As you will see at the end, I had her leave a ton of hinge wood. It's her first tree. I didn't want her to cut her hinge wood, have it go over sideways, backwards, or anything. I wanted the first one to be a win, in which it was. Yeah, it took a little bit of wedging. She got a double stack wedges and pushed this tree over. So before anyone starts commenting too much hinge wood, blah blah blah, I did that for a reason. There's a reason behind it. This is a new faller, and I wanted the morale to be as high as possible versus having something go wrong and have her first experience be a loss. But hope you guys enjoy. You know, like I said, she's nervous, so she's not a professional faller, so don't even think about trying to say anything negative. So anyhow, enjoy the show. It's a bit of a process. Like I said, I'm walking her through everything, and she done great, especially with all that pressure. So here we go. Watch your stop. Go ahead. Give them light taps till they're started. Remember, go off at a 45 once it starts going. Yeah. There you go. Come up here. Oh, change away. I'd rather have enough range wood.
I can breathe again.
It's better to have more hinge wood than not.
Just remember though, Kelsey, that didn't have a big canopy in it, so it didn't have any extra weight up top.
Pull it.
Pounding over a stick is different than when it's got weight up top in the limbs and the needle. That's awesome.
If you're watching this and you was there watching Kels fall this tree, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support and encouraging words. You guys made it a very, very positive situation, and those of you watching and first time seeing it and you have things positive to say, thank you very much. If you got anything negative, you can keep them comments to yourself. Thanks again, Tasman, Corey, everybody that showed up. It was a fabulous time. A lot of good people, just like one big happy family. There was not one negative thing that happened, was said, anything. I mean, it was just a terrific time. I wish everyone could have been there. that's the end of the video. Tazapalooza 2024. If you can make it, I highly suggest you come check it out. Great people, great time. Thanks again to everybody who made this possible. All you folks that drove clear across the country. Chippy, John Arnett, Hicks Hickory, J.K. Sawshop, Bodie flew in from Atlanta, Georgia. The list goes on and on. If I missed you, I'm sorry, but just know I appreciate you guys showing up and getting to spend time in our beautiful state of Washington.